Look at that, everyone. I zoomed in. That's a little bit better. And I turned on the flash so we can see a kitten around my feet. I can't. There he is. There's a kitten. There's a kitten. There's a kitten. But anyway, this is, but I still ain't going to pick it up even with the flash. This is our field where we come and sit with Miracle and Birdwatch. If you watch my channel, you've seen it hundreds of times probably. And we're out here at night and the whole field is illuminated by this. It's really beautiful. Let me turn on my headlamp. Maybe we get a good shot of the kitten. He's going to run with me. Okay. There's the kitten. There's the kitten. Anyway, I hope you all got to see this beautiful moon. It's really pretty. And I love the sounds of the insects. Listen. It's like ASMR.